Hey guys, one of my biggest health secrets is that I go to Gonstead Performance Chiropractic. I love Dr. Laurie Trapp. Here she is seeing where I need adjustments. It's usually my upper back, my lower back, and my neck, flat-footed. Here's her fancy table that you lay down on. Oof, that felt good. Watch this. I really trust her. I always feel so good after I leave here. I walk better. I have full range of motion better.
Okay, let's get one more. Breath in.
And overall, I cannot live without this lady. Before and after traveling, I always have to visit her. So yeah, make your appointment. Get adjusted. Feel great.